Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing this pumpkin spice inspired orangey fall makeup look. Before we get into the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so actually one of you guys requested this makeup look, so shout out to you. I think her name is Shakia. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, but shout out to you for requesting this look. I hope you like it. And she pretty much requested like a pumpkin spice makeup look, so I'm thinking like orangey, brownish, golden type of look. So that is pretty much what I'm going for here today. This is like a chatty type of video, so I am going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff, so definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see what I have to say and how I got this look. I already have my brows done. I know I always skip past this, but if you guys want to see how I do my brows, I have I think 3 different tutorials. I have one up with a pomade, one up with like a brow wiz pencil type, and then like a lazy girl guide to brows. And those are pretty much all of the brow tutorials I do based on how I feel that day. So I will link all 3 of those below if you guys are interested in checking that out. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the makeup. I think that I am gonna do just like a little check through type of video today. And yeah, so we're gonna start out with the Wet n Wild concealer to prime my eyes. I'm gonna go in with and do an orange look. One of you guys actually requested a like pumpkin spice type of look. I hope I'm saying your name right. It's Shakia, so shout out to you. I'll be recognizing you in my comment section too. Like, I love when you guys comment, and it's so funny because it's like it's getting to the point to where the majority of the time the same people comment. So it's like I always see you guys and I'm looking like, hey girl, like when I'm reading your comment I'm like, hey girl, you know. But anyway, shout out to you for requesting this. But you requested a pumpkin spice look, and so I'm thinking orangey when I think of pumpkin spice, and brownish type of stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna use the SAHARAN palette by JUVIA'S. You guys know I absolutely love JUVIA'S, and they now sell JUVIA'S in Ulta. You can get it online and in Ulta stores, but none of the stores in South Carolina have them yet, or at least according to online they don't. So but I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here at the bottom, and I'm gonna use that as my transitional color. Hey guys, so I'm trying to like change up some things on the channel, and like one of the things that I am trying to change is actually getting a P.O. box for like, because I'm getting more and more packages. So I'm like, I really don't feel comfortable putting my address out there just because I never know who's watching, and I don't want people to have my address, you know. So I'm actually looking into getting a P.O. box, this orange shade up here at the top. But yeah, I don't really want like to put my address out there, and I just really want to get a P.O. box. And of course it can be like, in case you guys want to send me like letters and stuff like that, you guys can use it too. And plus, because I'm like selling stuff on Poshmark now, I don't want to put my return address on there. So I'm actually getting the P.O. box for like, you know, different reasons and all the things like that. I talked about this on my IG story, so if you guys saw me on Instagram, you already know that, because I was talking about how my birthday is in October, and my birthday is actually the Monday after next. Is it next Monday? Or is it the Monday after next? Wait, I think it's the Monday after next. It's October 15th, whatever day that is. But my birthday is coming up, so I was talking about that on there, and then I started talking about the P.O. box and all that kind of stuff on Instagram today. And so I'm trying to go ahead and get a P.O. box, and I will list like the P.O. box information and all of that kind of stuff in the description box below in case you guys want it. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get one today, because I just went to the post office. Like, I literally have been up all morning, and it's like almost 1 o'clock, and I'm just not getting around to filming because I woke up, had my coffee, well, did my devotional, had my coffee and all that kind of stuff, and then went to the post office after I got dressed. And online it has like one price, and then when I get there it's like double the price, and I'm like, hold up, like, wait a minute. So I think I'm just going to hold off on it for now. And well, that particular post office P.O. box, I'm gonna go to a bigger one later on after I film today and see if I can get one. But I definitely need to get one today because I need to ship out my Poshmark orders today. So I'm going in with this darker color here just to go in my outer V and in my crease. I'm like blending it in my outer V and in my crease, and then I'm patting it on my lid. But I want to go ahead and get out the orders, so I'm gonna try my best to get a P.O. box today because I don't want to wait. And I want to go in with this shade here and apply that in my in my inner V and in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Go ahead and blend any harsh lines. Now I'm going to move on to the face. For primer, I am going to use this COVERGIRL True Blend Pore Minimizing Primer. I actually really like this primer, so highly recommend it. It has like a purple tint, but like when you blend it in, it's clear, so you don't really have to worry about that. But it's like purple coming out of the packaging. And it smells really good. I just love it because it makes your skin feel so smooth, and it like it blurs any like pores that you may have going on. So I just really like it. It's a really good primer, and it's affordable because it's in the drugstore. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation, and this is the foundation I was wearing in my last video. Some of you guys asked what foundation I was wearing, and this is the foundation I was wearing. I just really like this foundation. It photographs very well, and it just looks good on the skin. It's amazing. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer. I love this concealer. Back to what I was talking about. So I want to like upgrade like the quality of my videos. So I know in my last video I was talking about like getting lighting, and then I just went down in this like deep like hole this past weekend researching like the best lighting, researching just things on like improving the quality of my videos, and just all, you know, all of it in general. And I found a lot of lighting that I actually am about to invest in, and it's so you guys will probably see like the lighting quality getting better within the next few weeks, and you guys will probably see just better quality like my shop with me videos and like Fashion Friday videos and things like that getting better, because I'm getting a new lens, so I won't be doing the shop with me videos on my phone, so I won't have to worry about like the volume being so low. Even like with this camera, a mic, and like, you know, just things like that. And then of course, like I said, the lighting, I wanted to make sure I got like really good lighting. I didn't want to, because I mean right now I use natural lighting and umbrella lights, but I just feel like it's not the best. And even so, I wanted to get like, you know, good quality lighting and just make it look good. And maybe I'll do like a filming video, like my filming equipment and things like that, to help like other YouTubers that are like starting out and don't really know like what they want to get and stuff like that. maybe I can do a video on that to help them out. So this is the ColourPop No Filter setting powder, and yeah, I'm glad you guys like my Fashion Friday videos and like makeup videos. You guys, like, ever since I've been back, you guys have been loving the videos, and I am so happy that you guys have been loving them. So shout out to y'all for watching. But let me know some more videos that you guys want to see. Like, keep the requests coming, some more makeup tutorials that you guys want to see, and like just things that you guys want to see. I want to do more of those type of videos, and of course videos that I want to do. Like, I have a list of videos that I want to do, but I want to know like what you guys want to see. So more makeup tutorials, things like that. I am gonna do couponing videos still, but they're not gonna be like how they used to be, like how I would go every week and do them. I'm probably gonna do just the makeup ones, and that's just because I'm still gonna coupon for the other stuff, but I'm just gonna post about the makeup ones on my channel, just because that's pretty much what you guys wanted to see. You wasn't really here for the household stuff and the, you know, the other stuff. If I have I mean, if I'm wrong, you guys can tell me and I'll, you know, change it. But at least looking at like the view counts on the things and stuff like that, I'm thinking that's pretty much what you guys wanted to see. So that's what I'm going to keep coming. I'm going to take this Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer in Deep Tan and bronze up my skin. But yeah, it won't be every week, but it'll be, you know, sometimes. It'll be sometimes. And then I probably am gonna try to do like breaking up my come shop with me videos, like how I did the TJ Maxx one, and I asked did you guys want to see the cosmetic side, and pretty much all of you guys said you did. So that one is coming this week. So just let me know any type of videos you guys want to see, and definitely follow me like on Instagram and stuff like that, just so you guys can know like what videos I'm putting out, and you guys can request them on there and we can chat. And I always post, I literally post on Instagram every day, whether it's a picture, I post on my IG story every single day, but whether it's a picture on Instagram or just me posting on my IG story, but I'm always on Instagram posting. And I want to start putting up Instagram. I didn't even tell you guys what this is. This is the L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade Rosy Outlook. I want to start posting more on Instagram and posting like IG videos, so I've been trying to get right to do that. Highlight, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight. I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm going to go back into the SAHARAN palette and use those two orange shades that I use, this one and this one, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Need a black eyeliner. Have you guys heard Symphony's Soto? So I think is her name on Instagram. I mean on here. She had a YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you guys already know of her because she's like absolutely gorgeous. But have y'all heard her new EP? Like, the whole thing is just fire. Like fire. Like all of her songs on there, I just love it. I really, really do. I'm gonna go in with this Peacock mascara from COVERGIRL. It's so funny because, like, not trying to be petty or anything, but most YouTubers that sing, is like, okay, they can sing a little bit, but the only reason they pop in is because they have their followers, you know. But like Symphony, like, she can sing. Like, she actually sounds like a singer, and I think that if you was to hear her music before you even know that she's a YouTuber, you would think she's a singer. Like, you know, even though she is a singer, but you guys get what I'm saying. Like, she can actually sing. She's not popping because she has that following. She's popping because she can sing, and her music is good. Like, my favorite one is All I Know. I love All I Know, but I love Don't Feed My Ego. Like, I love that song. It's so good. If you guys haven't heard it, you definitely need to listen to it. What is the name of her EP? Oh, it's called I Am. Her EP is called I Am, and it is simply amazing. I love Feelings. Like, I'm gonna apply these lashes here. These are the EYLURE Jasmine Brown lashes, but I just love her whole EP. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lip liner in the shade Raw Chocolate, and I'm gonna apply this all over my lips, and then I'm gonna top it off with this RIMMEL lip gloss called Oh My Gloss, and it's in the shade Non-Stop Glamour. It's like a orangey nude, peachy nude type of gloss. Oh yeah, some of you guys were requesting skincare videos. They're coming. I just haven't. I had like breakouts like right here, so I'm trying to clear that up before I make the video. But I'm going to top it off with this gloss, which I love. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh. Alright guys, and then that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys like these chatty type of videos, and as always, leave your video requests in a comment below. And yeah, I think that is about it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.